My name is Noelle. I work here at the East Whatcom Regional Resource Center, and I am putting together y'all's Kids Days of Summer program. So for this first week, we are going to do a mini garden kit, which is so fun because you can take the seeds that you found in your pack and grow something that you can eat, or a beautiful flower or some herbs. And so I'm just going to show you how to do that today. So you're going to have a clear cup in your packet. You're going to fill the clear cup up with some dirt. So this is just dirt. You can get it from, make sure to ask your parents first that you're not digging up their plants or their gardens. But in an appropriate spot, you can put some dirt in a cup, in the clear cup that we gave you. You can put some rocks on the bottom to absorb moisture, so when you water your plant, it doesn't get too moist, because that can kill your plant. So yeah, take some soil, some rocks at the bottom. Yeah. Now we're going to take our packets. It's gonna look like this, and you should have 3 packs of seeds. Let's see, this one has parsley, eggplant, and tomatoes, so that's kind of fun. So first, everything's blowing away out here. So first you are going to open your seed packet, and note there's instructions on the back too. So this one says to sow in a sunny garden, sow 4 to 6 seeds in soil. Okay, so if I can get this open here. Let's see. All right, here, I don't know if y'all can see this. Here's my seeds that I'm going to plant. And so what you want to do is you want to take your finger and dig a little hole down in your soil that you can plant your seeds in, and go ahead and drop those seeds in there. And stuff them down. You don't want them to touch the bottom, but be kind of midway down in your soil. And you're going to cover them back up and pat it, and you'll put it in a sunny place for them to grow. Make sure you water your planted seeds just to where the soil feels a little moist, so you don't want a bunch of water at the bottom. You don't want it to be super, super wet, because that could kill your seeds. So just moist enough, and then you are going to let those sprout. Let's see, these ones will take about 7 to 14 days to sprout, and then after they have sprouted, you can take the dirt out, and the seedling, but be careful when you do that. You can dig a hole in an appropriate spot outside in soil, and you can plant your seedling in there for it to grow even bigger and produce maybe some cool fruits and veggies. So I would love to hear about your plants and your seedlings and everything that you've learned from this project. On your packet, there's an email address where you can email all the cool things that you're learning, maybe even pictures of your seedlings. You can email that to me, or you can call us at the number listed on the blue sheet in your packet, and we will enter you into an end of the summer prize drawing. And this drawing, we're gonna have some fun stuff that we are giving away. So if you stay active and do your weekly kits and let us know how much fun you're having and what you're learning, you could win an end of the summer prize. So I will be here every week with some fun videos for you to follow along with me, and super excited. Bye guys. Bye.